Maximum screen brightness has turned into a fresh dividing line for smartphone manufacturers. Last year, Apple boldly declared the iPhone 15 could produce 2000 nits of brightness. Google raised the stakes with the 2400 nit Pixel 8 Pro, followed by the Galaxy S25 Ultra at 2600 nits. This year, Google hit 3000 nits with the Pixel 9 Pro, while Apple stayed at 2000 nits on the iPhone 16 Pro. Samsung S25 Ultra brightness. Now, it seems Samsung may be following Google's lead. Despite earlier rumors, leaked files suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra could hit 3000 nits in high brightness mode, matching the Pixel 9 Pro. This makes it beneficial for use in bright, sunny surroundings, even though OnePlus's 4500 nits with the OnePlus 12 are still the highest. Seamless updates and features. Another intriguing discovery is that the S25 series will offer seamless A/B updates, a feature that allows the phone to download crucial firmware updates in the background before running them on reboot. This saves you from long periods of downtime. However, it's not all good news. The S25 Ultra won't enable Find My Device capabilities when switched off, unlike the Pixel 9. This means if a thief turns off your phone, you won't be able to track it in real time. Specs and performance? The leaked files confirm a few more elements. The screen will remain the same 3120 by 1440 resolution as the S24 Ultra, and the battery will maintain its 5000 mAh capacity. Android authorities digging also established that the S25 will utilize UFS 4.0 storage for quicker file transfer speeds. AI processing enhancements? Next, let's talk AI. Samsung is betting big on AI in 2024, and the S25 is set to minimize cloud dependency, executing more AI processing locally. This means faster and more private generative AI photo editing without relying on cloud servers. Performing AI tasks locally will be more taxing on your phone, but offers benefits like faster processing and not needing an active internet connection. The Galaxy S25 will run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, as there's no trace of Exynos or MediaTek hardware. Comparison to the S22. How does the S25 compare to the S22? The biggest upgrade is the anticipated price. The S22 started at $799 in 2022, but the S25 might start at $899 due to the new Snapdragon 8 Elite. The S25 is expected to look similar to the S24, with a cleaner design and a slightly larger 6.36-inch display. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive upgrade with its increased brightness, seamless updates, and enhanced AI capabilities. What are your thoughts on the S25 Ultra? Do you think these upgrades are worth it? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Touch Trove for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.